Hi, I'm Adam Manson, Chief Product Officer at BVR. I'm excited to share a new enhancement now available in DealStats. When using RADA in DealStats, subscribers can now view the transactions that were used in any calculations, data tables, or graphs. Additionally, you can use RADA to search for transactions using plain language. After you enter a query in RADA and receive a response, you can view the transactions used by clicking the Display Transactions button. DealStats will open in a second browser tab and show the transactions used in RADA's response. Here's an example. We tell RADA, provide me with the table that contains median SDE multiples for private targets in SIC 5812 by year for the years 2014 through 2025. After RADA provides us with an answer, we can view the transactions used in the data table RADA created by clicking the Display Transactions button. Here is another example. We tell RADA, show me transactions of private targets in SIC 7372 that have net sales under $10 million. After RADA provides us with some preliminary information, we can view the transactions we asked for by clicking the Display Transactions button. The new Display Transactions feature is a great way to view the individual transactions used in RADA's analysis and response. After viewing the transactions, you have the option to export them to Excel or to PDF. You may also save them to return to later. You can learn more by visiting www.bbresources.com/RADA. If you have questions, please contact us at customerservice@bbresources.com or call 503-479-8200.